Football, football, football. Everybody loves football, but about football, there's something that we all don't understand. How can a man that big get hit that hard? One man was able to explain it, and it was Newton. Newton's first law of motion begins with the law of inertia, which was originally made by Galileo. It says that every object will stay in a state of rest or in a state of motion until acted on by some other non-zero force. So an object at rest will stay at rest until it's acted on by an object that puts it in motion. An object in motion will stay in motion unless it's put to rest. For example, this football will stay exactly like this until, for example, I throw it. It's the law of inertia. Number two, Newton's second law of motion, based on the law of acceleration, is that the acceleration of any object produced by its net force is directly proportional and inversely proportional to the acceleration and the mass of the other object, respectively. For example, if I throw this football in the air at 50 newtons, I'll get the same acceleration as if this ball weighed twice as much and I threw it at 100 newtons. Therefore, the ratio is exactly the same. Or for instance, I throw the football, it's going at 20 meters per second. If this ball is twice as heavy, I'd have to throw it at twice the same force in order to get the same acceleration. Number three, Newton's third and final law is about action and reaction forces. My favorite law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Believe it or not, completely up to you, but here's the proof. This football, throwing it, when the receiver catches it, this ball is putting the same amount of acceleration and force as the receiver's hands on this ball. It's just the difference of mass and the difference of acceleration make up for why the receiver can stop the ball and the ball doesn't completely shred his hand to pieces. However, I do have some very, very nice things coming up next that I guarantee you will enjoy.